neurologist Dr. Mark Groff here at Disc Centers of America in Gallatin. I wanted to take a minute to explain to you what we do here. Spinal decompression is a way to heal discs that have some injuries like bulges, herniations, prolapses, people that have degenerative disc and stenosis, and we can help them get the care they need and heal from that pain without having to go through aggressive or surgical procedures. I want you to know that if you're going to a disc doctor that has a good education, they actually went and got certified in decompression. I got to be a contributing author to the Spinal Decompression textbook. That has just come out in the last couple of years as a great resource for doctors that go to school for this to learn how decompression works. Make sure your doctor has actually got certified. The other thing that's important is the equipment they used. There's 2 tables in the world that are FDA cleared, and so make sure they're using the gold standard equipment. You should be able to ask really detailed questions, and they should have really clear answers for you. They should be able to say, yes, we can help. They should be able to say, no, I can't, and get you to the doctor that you need to go to. So I really wanted to share a few things like that so you knew how to make decisions on which doctor to choose. Treatment's going to work best for you because I would like you to get the help that you need to get your life back.